Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Red Dead Redemption 2 game on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store on your iOS device and go to the search box and type in RDR2 and search. Doing this will bring up the search result from where you'll need to pick RDR2 Companion, this game over here from Rockstar Game. Now tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID or your Face ID, and then you should be able to begin the download process for the application. Red Dead Redemption 2 is an action-adventure game developed and published by Rockstar Games. It features both a single-player story mode and online multiplayer mode called Red Dead Online. This is where players can explore the world, undertake missions, and interact with other players. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your iOS device, which will take several minutes depending upon how fast your internet connection is. And once the download is completed, simply tap on the open button to play the game right on your iOS device. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.